welcome to our presentation and demo of our integrated e-commerce system, Shopfront. I'm Greg Seward, and I'll go through an introduction to the company and what we do before passing over to my colleague, Paul Bellworthy, who will present the Shopfront demo for Sage 50. So a little bit about Aspidistra. Paul's already founded Aspidistra in 1999, and the first Sage integration for Sage 50 came in 2003. Shopfront is a groundbreaking product that has now been going for over 20 years, and in that time it's developed and moved with the B2B market. And we've gained a huge experience from dealing with over 200 customers from all over the UK and Ireland. As a result of implementing Shopfront, our customers are seeing growth of between 30 and 50% overall, and over £200 million worth of revenue is generated through Shopfront annually. Crucially, the average growth from sales via Shopfront in 2020 was a staggering 380%. Our customers are typically sort of manufacturers, distributors, and wholesalers from any industry, and they come to us because they want to reduce their incoming phone calls regarding prices, stock positions, and other time-consuming queries. They want their sales team to spend more time chasing new business. They know they need to improve their websites and their online trading offering because of the current climate, but also because their competitors are already doing so. We understand that B2B is different. We know their businesses are complex and simple websites won't work for them. Shopfront is proven sophisticated and designed from the ground up to cope with their complexity. It will integrate with Sage out of the box, and we will demonstrate how that works a bit later on in the demo. So the main benefits of having integrated into Sage, on top of just having an e-commerce platform, is that customers can order 24/7 with full access to their accounts and their order history. Their unique bespoke pricing is displayed on the products they buy, and promotions can be tailored to them. When an order is placed, it goes straight into Sage, into sales order processing. Stock is allocated automatically, and repeat orders can be made with a click of a button. And so customers will always know the true stock position of any given product. Shopfront makes ordering easy, and that is hugely beneficial to both buyers and sellers. With businesses now able to trade 24/7, we want to be able to back that commitment up. We support our system round the clock with assistance just a call or an email away at all times. We offer one number, one call, and a fully trackable ticket system for our customers to view the status response and the name of the person currently working on the issue. We only work with Shopfront and not with any other e-commerce system, and as it's our own, we know it inside out. So I'm now going to hand over to my colleague Paul, who will run through the Sage 50 Shopfront demo and the features shown here. It will show you both options, and both options have full Sage integration. Paul.
Thank you, Greg. Good morning to you all. I just wanted to quickly show our two options available. Both use the same Shopfront integration and features. So this example here is Tiger Supplies. This is what we call a full build. We provided the full design, branding, font, colors, drop-down images in the navigation, also online chat and simple messaging on the site. We also provide our new SaaS model. This still has branding, it still has font and colors to represent that company. It is a simple login to our fast track portal. Now for the demo. As soon as a customer logs into our system, it connects directly to Sage and pulls across the information. We have the customer's own pricing, which is shown, and we also show stock position, which is pulled directly from Sage 50. The stock is to be able to be shown in various ways. So we have in stock, out of stock. We can also show quantities and also due in dates. Now, because of its direct connection to Sage 50, we also are able to pull across account information, as you can see here on account overview. So we have the balance and we have the credit limit. If we go into Sage, as you can see here, EA supplies, you can see their balance and you can see their credit limit, which is pulled across and displayed. Shopfront also can pull across the order history from Sage 50 for each individual account. Whether the order has been placed by phone or email, the full history of the account can be drawn from Sage 50. You can go in and view the details of that order, see the pricing you paid and the quantity, and by one click of a button, repeat that order again. As you can see on this page, we have multiple ways for customers to be able to order stock. We have quick reorder, which is simple stock code and submit a quantity. But we also have CSV upload. So for larger orders with multiple lines with a quick and easy CSV upload. All it needs is stock code and quantity, as the pricing will be pulled across from Sage 50. We also have simple website browsing. Now for some other features. Account payment. A list of outstanding orders are displayed and can be searched for with our invoice facility. Payments can be made against the orders and invoices to keep the account up to date by simply selecting Pay button. Then the amount to pay is displayed and calculated at the bottom of the page, and the payment can be made using Pay by Card. You can also add multiple delivery addresses to this account. So with this, if the customer has multiple stores, these can be added and then made selectable in the checkout stage. We also have edit purchases. A lot of customers have multiple stores across various locations. So in Shopfront, you can add these different locations and give them the ability to add orders using the same account. This helps process orders quickly and stop misplaced orders getting lost or actually never actioned. Another great feature, because of its connection to Sage, is top products. Now, this is mined directly from Sage. Looks a very simple page, but you need to consider that the individual price has been pulled across and the true stock position. An order can be placed really quickly, and it also can encourage orders to be placed against products that may be forgotten for a while. Let's quickly complete an order. We go through the checkout stages. This is where different delivery addresses can be selected. Different delivery methods can be selected. And then an order reference, maybe a purchase order number. Then we get to payment. If the customer has an account in Sage, they can be offered place on account. If they don't have account or credit with you, it will only show pay by credit card. For this purpose, we're showing both, and I will place this order on account. Now, because of its direct link to Sage, as soon as that order is placed, the order number is shown. I'll go into Sage, and you can see the order is placed into Sage 50, the amount is there, and the stock is allocated. Now I'm going to show you one more feature. This is our agent facility. With remote working becoming even more normal, this is a great facility to be able to manage accounts and, most importantly, process orders. An agent can log in. This can be internal sales or even a sales rep on the road. They're able to select the account either on the phone or they're with. EA Supplies, the account I'm with. And as soon as they do that, the website will then change to reflect that account's pricing and stock position. They're able to place an order against that account, and the customer will get an email and the agent will get an email confirming that order. This means there is no more waiting until you get back at the office to process the orders. As you can see, Shopfront has a vast range of features, and it's not just an e-commerce platform. Because of our relationship with our customers, it has evolved into a crucial part of their business and enables them to actively go after new business rather than just processing orders. In the interest of time, that's the end of the demo, but we have many more features that we can show you. So please contact us for a one-on-one demo or for more information.
Thanks, Paul. So now that we've seen how Shopfront works, let's have a look at what's happening at the moment. Well, we're constantly reviewing the B2B market and looking at trends, and we send out blogs based on what we find to keep people informed. Backed up by these statistics, you can see that things are drastically changing in the B2B market. More orders are now being placed online. With companies not being able to see reps or open showrooms, they're preparing for a future where traditional face-to-face meetings will probably be a thing of the past. As a result of the difficult and highly demanding market, we launched the SaaS model, which is a fast start, pay monthly Shopfront product to get started now. New clients are onboarded fast through consistent, repeatable sales and onboarding processes and can be up and running with no capital outlay within a month. This option is a cost-effective way for B2B traders to add to their existing websites and not get left behind by their competitors, with all the same benefits of integration. The SaaS model helped us achieve record-breaking months in 2020. Following the introduction of the new model, future clients now have a clear choice of how to implement Shopfront with Sage 50. A full build website will allow for extensive customization and display options, with an excellent e-commerce model offering full integration into Sage. This has a lead time of about 12 weeks. The SaaS model is often used by clients with existing e-commerce sites. So finally then, if you are interested and you do want to get online and start growing your business, please do contact either myself or Paul for more information. Thanks very much, and that is the end of our presentation.